Apple Maps has an improved look and new features that you'll definitely want to check out. With the redesign, now you can share your estimated time of arrival with a friend or a family member. Here's how. Start Apple Maps navigation and then get turn-by-turn directions to a location. Now, when viewing directions, swipe up on the bottom of the area that displays your arrival time and shows the End button. From there, tap the Share ETA button and select who you want to share with. The new look Apple Maps started to roll out last September and is now officially available everywhere. You don't have to update your app either. It's all done automatically on Apple servers. If you haven't seen the detailed map yet, just open the Maps app and look at your area. The last notable feature on the new Apple Maps is Look Around. First, open Apple Maps and zoom in on a city that has Look Around. For example, here is San Francisco. Then select the binoculars to open Look Around. A new window will pop up with a familiar street view like Look. Expand Look Around to full screen mode by tapping the double arrow icon. You can swipe around in that window to change the direction of the photo or tap the street to move down the block. As you navigate around, you can tap the name of a business to zoom in on the storefront and view its address and website. For more helpful tips on iOS 13, visit us at cnet.com.